Hi guys, I'm Neha from Team MakCorps. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you pull hotel pricing data for any city using n8n and MakCorps API. So first of all, go to MakCorps website, click on Start Free Trial. Here, add your details and register. And once you register, you will get your API key in the mail. So this is the API key, and we are going to use this in the workflow. So after that, create a Google Sheet, add a relevant name, add these headings, and here on the tab also give a name. Now we will start a workflow. So sign up on n8n, and on the dashboard in the right upper corner you will see a button uh, for create workflow. Click on that, and now you will be getting a empty workflow. So first of all, give your workflow a name like I have given here, and then we will start creating the automation. So in this automation, we are going to use two APIs. First is mapping API. This mapping API we are going to use for extracting city ID, and then we are going to use hotel API search by city ID. We need a city ID to use this API. So that's why we need to use the mapping API first. And I will recommend you to go through these both API documentations before you get started so that you can understand the parameters and API endpoints. Okay. So now we are going to make our first request. So in the empty workflow, you will get only one sign, which is the plus sign. Click on the plus sign here and search HTTP request. As you will click on this, you will get get this, and now you have to add the details here. Like method I have choose get. This is the API endpoint which you can copy and paste from here. Okay, and click on this, and here comes the parameters. So you will get these parameters here. So these are the exact parameters. Just copy and paste these parameters, and in the value like API key you got from the mail. So you put it here. The second parameter is name, and the value is city name. Any city you want to get um, the data of. Okay. So now click on execute. As you will click on execute, you can see the output here. Here, this is the document ID. You can see this is a ID of London. You can see here. Okay. So once this is executed, now we are going to make our next request, which is hotel price API city ID. So again, you click on the plus sign and search for HTTP request, and here fill the details. Method get API URL. You know how to find it, and here the query parameters. Make sure that when you add the query parameters it has to be right, and you need to write it in a sequence of this API example so that don't make uh, you don't get any trouble later on. Okay, so once you added all the data here, you click on execute, and here in the output you will get the results. Okay, now you can see that we got the data, vendors, price, hotel ID, and name also, but this data is not organized, right? So in the next step we will learn how can we organize the data. So now we are going to use this node code in JavaScript to organize data. Again, search, click on the plus sign and search this, and you will get this. And then add this code, which I will provide in YouTube description. And as you will click on the execute setup, you can see here in output the data is organized, right? Now the data is ready to pulled in Google Sheet. Now again click on plus and then search Google's Sheet, and in that search append or update row in Sheet. So first of all you need to connect your Gmail account here. After the connection is confirmed, select this sheet within document operation, select append or update row in the document. You need to select the sheet. This is a sheet I have created. You can see the name, and here select the tab name. Choose this method, map each column manually. Now we are gonna map it according to our headers. So we have already put headers here in our sheet. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to pick this and put it here. We will do the same for every, like in vendors we will drag and drop the vendors. Now click on execute and you can see the output here. Now I'm executing. As you will execute, you will get this and the sheet has been filled. So this is how you can pull photo pricing data. This is that easy. Thank you.